Welcome back, everybody. We're back on the Element. I need to figure out what's wrong with it. I got all the parts. The last parts came in yesterday, which was serpentine belt, because when I was working on a car, cleaning it, I noticed that the serpentine belt it is in bad shape. So what we're going to do today, we're going to try to figure out, most likely, I'm hoping it's just a strut, but I got all 4 struts to replace, but I'm just going to replace this one and the tie rod end just to get it off the trailer, and then we will work on the other parts later on. I will do the oil change and also check that power steering fluid on it, because I'm not sure if it's going to be any good. All right, so I'm looking at this. It doesn't look bent, but it doesn't look like it's the right strut. Huh. Crazy. What? I guess I just finished pulling it apart. Yeah, actually, standing back at it does look a little wonky.
Because with that being all the way in, it puts the wheel exactly where it was. About 3 inches.
Yeah. All right, so we come to find out, I think, well, we know the strut is bad, but I think the strut is from a CRV or something else, because it wasn't right at all. It didn't compress, so that was another problem. Also, the struts I have is, what is it, Sing Sing? Yeah, Sing. These going to be on my Amazon store. I have the two front, and then in that box right there I got the two rear. So I'm not going to replace the other one right now. We just wanted to get this one straight so we could get it off the trailer. The next thing I want to do is change the tie rod in. I got another one from AutoZone, and all we have to do is just button it up, put these two nuts on, find a 10 to hold a brake. I don't know about the ABS here, because it's supposed to be, I thought it was supposed to be another 10 or something here. And change the tie rod in, put the wheel back on, and we'll get it off the trailer. All right, so I just noticed when I was talking about the ABS sensor or speed sensor, I'm not sure, but it's a bracket that goes here that this clips onto. Yeah, it's not there, so I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard and get that, and let's finish bolting this up. Oh, it won't go into gear.
No, I need a screwdriver. I hear it.
Oh, it's probably, ooh, it's smoking. It's probably because it's on a brake.
Oh my God!
Axle.
Busted. God damn.
Give it gas.
Oh yeah, you can hear it. Well, so that's it. We need an axle. I guess I'll go to the junkyard Saturday and get an axle. I know it's too good to be true, but not too bad. At least the wheel is straight now. It probably is definitely gonna need alignment, because this one is pointed to the right, and this one is a little bit, but it's gonna need a wheel alignment. So that's it. Like I said, I'm gonna post all the parts that I have for the car on my Amazon store. Let me show you front struts. Those are the rear, radiator, on all the tools I have. And that's about it. I'm gonna call it a day because I can't really do anything else. I honestly don't feel like doing anything else. All right, so we got the car running. Put power steering fluid in it. Yeah, it is holding it. The water is holding it too, so I don't think I have to change the radiator, but I'm still not sure yet. Definitely need a new axle, but I have axles at the storage. I just have to put the weight on them. But other than that, she's good to go. Just bubbling out a little water. Let's check the inside. No light. The back is open. Huh? No. It's got an airbag light on. Don't know to get the code from the dealer. I just gotta give him the VIN number.
You don't have they're not in the glove box?
Sometimes they are in the glove box.
Civics are. Oh god.
Oh my. There's a lot in there. Treasures.
A Glock.
Oh wow. What's in a plastic bag? That's an iPhone cord. Nothing. Trash.
Tape.
Oh, that's a registration?
And a liability card.
Oh, it's got a person's name on it.
Yeah, it does.
Let's call them out.
Put that down.
Oh, the garage door opener. We're gonna drive around Denton. Oh, it's the address. The address is on there.
Wait, this is still registered.
Wait a minute. They didn't put the sticker? Oh, they just went out, yeah. What's the address? We can go there and use the garage door opener.
It's in Keller.
Oh, that's not too far. Is that a bullet?
Yeah.
A battery? Oh, screws.
Yeah. You should call her and be like, hey, you got the manuals?
For some reason, it won't go into gear, even if we push on a brake. So we have to push in with the screwdriver. Yeah, yeah. Still better put it in gear. Very, very quiet. It's running, so you can see that. It's definitely running. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna go get the rest of the stuff on my truck. Good thing I didn't have to change the radiator, which is okay. I'm gonna grab those other struts and put them in, so I could grab one hand and put them in the back. But let me show you the struts. It's them there. If anybody wants the part number. So that will do it for today. That's all we're gonna do until I go grab the axles. I wish I would have known. I would have definitely grabbed them because I was there. So I will grab both of them, and I'm just gonna put on the driver's side. But I do have to put that weight on them because I never did after I rebuilt them. No, actually, you know what? I'll take that back. When I had purchased them, they didn't even have the weights on them, and I took them off my other axles I had. So we'll get them. I'll get them put on there, and we'll put that axle on. I might just put the axle on without the weight, just so we could get it moving. But that's a strong maybe. So other than that, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna work on it some more, get it road worthy, if I can get that out right, and put it on the road. So the body work is not that important, not as much getting it running and driving. So until then, talk to you guys later. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys later.